Namaste. Today let's understand the right technique to practice Halasana. Halasana is an advanced posture. So let's understand what is the right way to practice Halasana and what are the most common mistakes that we can understand and rectify. So first, let us lie down. And here, this is the first mistake that we can highlight. Avoid lying down straight away on your back. Come up into sitting position. Always turn to the side and then lie down, then roll on your back. This will keep your spine very safe in any form of practice. Now for Halasana, stretch your legs out and hands by the side. See that you have space behind your head because you will be lifting your legs and going beyond the head region. So adjust yourself accordingly. To start with, we will understand the right technique and later on understand a few common mistakes. We will lift both the legs together up and swing it beyond your head region, toes pointed out, knees straight, active hamstrings, active calves, hands stretched out in front behind, palms pressing down, spine straight, lifted up, and very important is the chin. There will be a chin lock, but you will be keeping it comfortable so that you can breathe comfortably. Your breath is not restricted over here. This is the correct way to go into the posture and hold the posture. We can hold the posture for 6 to 8 counts or even 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now coming out, we have to be more particular. Slowly, straight legs lift up and drop your hips down. With control, drop the legs down and relax. Take a few normal breaths. Now this is the right technique to do it. So many checkpoints. Understand? Now let us see the common mistakes which most of us do and we don't even know about it. So the first mistake that we saw was lying down straight. That is corrected. We'll turn to the side and lie down. Now the second mistake is while lifting the legs up, because the core is not too strong, the knees will bend. So lift your legs straight up. Now many cannot swing directly behind, or many tend to jerk and lift up. The jerking will also tend to hurt your neck and your spine. Come back. So this is one mistake. Jerking and lifting up or not being able to lift up with straight legs. Another mistake is lift your legs up and go behind. Now another mistake is knees are not active and soft. The muscles are in relaxed position and toes are in. All these are checkpoints for mistakes. So how will you correct this? Toes pointed away from you, knees straight, your hamstrings engage and your calf engage. Spine, keep it straight. Many a times because the knees are soft, the spine tends to round. So when you engage your legs and point them behind, the spine is lifted and pointing upward. One more important mistake to check is the hands sometimes spread out and are in Shavasana position. So active hands, palms pressing down. Another variation here is you can interlock your fingers and pull your hands away from you. So you get a very active posture. And one last most common mistake is while coming up, the head is lifted up. So this should not happen. Don't lift your head up when you release the posture. Come down in a very controlled manner so that your head is rested on the floor only. So one last time, let us do the right technique of Halasana. Lift both your legs up, swing them all the way behind, toes pointed out, active hands pressing down, spine actively pointing up, legs stretching actively away from you, and you will be breathing with ease. Your neck is at ease. Coming back in the same manner with control. And relax. Beautiful. Take few normal breaths. Turn to the side. Come up into sitting position. Thank you so much. So this is how we will practice Halasana in the right manner. Keep practicing regularly. Namaste.
Namaskar. Halasana is an excellent asana for spine health. Practicing 2-3 rounds of this asana can accelerate the circulation in the spinal region as well as rectify postural defect. The pose represents a plow. As you lift your legs upward against gravity, you have a feeling of confidence and strength. The leg has to be lifted from the core, lowered beyond your head in a semicircular arch. 2. Touch the toes to the floor. Stretching of the posterior muscles, which is supporting the spine, gives good amount of flexibility. Regular practice of this asana helps in relieving constipation, obesity, sexual debility, menstrual disorder, and spinal rigidity. The inversion causes a strong compression at the throat region, which improves the functioning of thyroid, parathyroid, and pituitary gland. While practicing Halasana, you have to maintain a complete focus, and this will aid in the development of steady and stronger mind. Halasana promotes a peaceful mind. It helps in reducing stress and fatigue. Keep practicing this asana and you will see great difference in the health of body and mind. Namaskar.